draw Daddy Pig all dressed up as a spooky but friendly vampire for Halloween. Doesn't he look ready for some Halloween fun? Let's get started. Daddy Pig's vampire cape is so long and flowy, it almost touches the ground. If you could wear a vampire costume, what color would your cape be? Maybe black or purple like Daddy Pig's? If you saw Daddy Pig in his vampire costume, would you laugh, say hi, or both? Maybe I'll say hello and laugh too. Look, Daddy Pig has opened his eyes. I think he is having fun taking in his surroundings. He's practicing his best vampire pose with his cape spread out wide. What's your favorite part of Halloween? Costumes, candy, or decorations? Nice, I like that too. Daddy Pig loves saying boo in a funny voice to make everyone laugh. Do you think he should say boo or hello when he meets his friends in costume? Both seem like good ideas to me. Good. Daddy Pig dressed as a vampire is looking awesome. Now, let's bring him to life with colors. Grab your crayons or markers and let's make him the best dressed vampire ever. Instead of bats, Daddy Pig likes pretending his friends are part of his spooky gang. His favorite part of being a vampire is wearing his cool, fancy suit. Daddy Pig loves candy, especially chocolates, and vampires need treats too. What's your favorite Halloween candy? I also enjoy that. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Daddy Pig is a friendly vampire who always shares his treats with Peppa and George. He likes to tell silly, spooky stories in his vampire costume. Daddy Pig's favorite Halloween phrase is, "I van to eat more pumpkin pie." Vampires are spooky or funny? I think Daddy Pig is a mix of both. What would you name Daddy Pig's vampire character? I think Count Pigula is pretty funny. Right, kids? What do you think of Daddy Pig's vampire costume? Does he look spooky or silly? Probably both. Amazing! Daddy Pig as a vampire looks incredible. Share our drawings and tell them all about Daddy Pig's Halloween adventures. We had so much fun drawing together today. See you next time.